A mom hack for you if you like me and you don't like slime, Play-Doh, glitter, paint, all that stuff in the house. Take them to the park. They can make all the mess there.
Yes, paint pumpkins.
Wait. Alright, there we go. So, pick any chair, any table, and then we'll bring some paint and brushes for y'all.
That one. It's like a donut.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Doing a good job painting. Look at that. Do you have a plan as to what you paint in your pumpkin?
I'm gonna make it a rainbow.
A rainbow? Oh, that's a good idea. Sayla, what do you have in mind for your pumpkin?
I'm doing a donut.
Are you gonna do it like just like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty. No, that's pretty, Ezzy. It looks like Spider-Man or something. What is it?
Spider-Man.
Oh, okay.
This is gonna be a big spider.
Look, Ezzy, you can spin this around to get the color you need.
Oh. No, this is getting blue.
Here, let me put something on top.
Ooh, she's doing a rainbow. Look at that.
Mine is Spidey.
Yours what?
It's
Spidey.
Spider?
Like Spider-Man.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
In the shade, it's so cold, which is typical fall. So we had to move the paint party over here to the sun.
Bro, are you look. I know it isn't. Look at the color I'm making.
Oh, you making a tie-dye color too? Oh, that's pretty. She's taking light pink and dark pink and mixing them together. Look at her so far. It's pretty. Ezra keeps getting compliments on his. And Sayla's working diligently on her donut.
Oh, look.
What? Oh, that's pretty.
Why don't y'all listen to me?
We listen to
No,
you.
why didn't y'all listen to me right now?
Earlier, you mean?
Earlier.
No.
Why didn't y'all listen to me?
I guess the same reason you don't be listening to me. So Ezra told me somebody in his class told him that he eats Play-Doh. So then the girls chimed in saying that there's a such thing as edible Play-Doh. So then Sophia said, and there's even edible slime. Why they got these products on the market, I don't know. But I told my kids that they just going to have to take these other kids' word for it that it was good. Because some stuff just ain't meant to be ingested.
At school, we have free time.
Mm-hmm.
And so I watched this video, and it's called The Wild Adventure Girls. Oh, and, yeah, I watched that too. And she, and they watched, look, they had their own, like, channel.
Uh-huh.
And they, like, eat stuff to, like, and they show you how to make it.
Yeah.
And the ingredients.
So we talking about food?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but it was slime.
Oh. Okay, so she showed you how to make slime.
Yeah, and you can eat it, too.
She was actually eating it?
Yes.
Oh my God.
She has 2 other sisters that are on the show with her that are younger than her. What is
Okay.
5? What is 5 and what is 6?
Does this make y'all want to eat it?
No. Yes. No, but
Girl,
no,
bye.
but it wasn't by itself. It had like all kind of glitter and gummy worms, gummy bears.
In the slime?
Yes.
Wow.
With a drink and sour cream.
What? You got to show. We're going to look this up. He wants me to chase him. This is what we do. These kids got me exercising. Got me running all around. All around. I'm out of breath. Sophia! Freeze! Is she serious? Can y'all even see her? That's how far away she is. You're in danger, girl! We're too far away from Sayla, y'all. We gotta go back.
Come on. I can't say the one with us. I can't come up here.
Hey, we're not going down that trail. There she goes.
I'm not even out of breath.
You lost your shoe. When Sayla lost the shoe? She lost the shoe.
Lemonade, iced tea, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Lemonade, iced tea, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Turn around, touch the ground, kick your boyfriend out of town.
Round 2. More pumpkin painting. Sophia, Glitter City. See, that's what I told y'all. We do this kind of stuff away from the house.
Some pumpkin.
That's a baby.
Oh, nobody won.
I caught
As you already can tell, we were having a great day. But God blessed us even more because who popped up? My girl Shell and her girls. It was such a blessing to see them and be able to spend time with them. We even decided to keep the party rolling by going to chase some waterfalls. We're going to the waterfall. Wait, let me get down first. I'm recording. Go back down. You're going the wrong way. Okay, I'm coming. Woo! 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 I almost fell. Y'all didn't see that though. Look at my firstborn.
Ew. Oh, wow. We don't go fishing. Till next time, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.